Hello traders, Rich here and welcome to Bitcoin in a Minute, day 13. As mentioned yesterday, we are still struggling around the 18K, 20K support, so we don't really have much updates on lower time frames since yesterday. So for today, I'll focus on daily time frame. As we clearly see, this range here reminds me of the previous ones. The first one around 30K and the previous one around 40K. And this range is very important because it shows us that the bulls aren't strong enough to reject it. So usually when you see a build-up or where you see price stuck inside a range around the support area, chances are that we will have a break of the support element. Vice versa in case of if we have a resistance zone. So is a live example previously. This was the previous high. While waiting for the bulls to take over by breaking above it and reject the 40K, we can see a very similar scenario now. This is our previous high. And here instead, the bears took over by breaking below this low bound of the range and below the 38K in this case, which is this bearish candle. For this range here, if you remember, like I posted many times about it, we were waiting for this break above this high, which didn't happen. Instead, we broke below it, and here we go. This bearish candle here, like, is the signal that the bears took over again and we traded lower. So very similar scenario now. Let me draw the low bound the range, which is the 18K, which I keep on saying that if we have a momentum candle close below it, the bears will take over and will keep moving forward. So let's monitor this, and chances are that we will see, just like previously, an overextended range. So we might see this before we break above both the trend line in brown and the upper range, or to see this, in this case, a movement that the 12K would be expected. That's it for Bitcoin, and I'll see you tomorrow.